manuia ia langi mai le malo America Samoa ia me se foi fácil sango o tangato no me se ia no malalafanga o tato ainga foi o au ia o ingo Susana T sopo Samia ti sau mai le no nei o Vatia ia me lo fa lele ai fo o ia mo foi na vi ia le atua wa ele au mawa no fa pe nei fai foi se fa so ela nai tama ia me se foi le mato pitula au le supporting foi ia malangu le mato platform leo le team tautua Gaoteote Fai'ivae. So I'm just blessed. This is such a great opportunity, and I think I am given a task that I believe it's something that comes from my heart, and why I'm supporting Gaoteote Fai'ivae. And I'm proud, and I'm so proud just to represent the women from our village and represent a young person who has been in the government. You know, luas pulu mantubito sanga fingal for il malo ia male alu lava ole finga malo America Samoa o tawe o tato leo. And that's one good thing I really like about this, why I'm supporting Gaoteote Fai'ivae, not because o ke sa mai ile nuu itwa bo Vatia. This is one thing I really truly stand and support Gaoteote Fai'ivae because of their tautua. Misa imeva ai foi ia oile nu e tupu wa el nu lea e sal nu lea e fai e kala il malai tai vaiala ole nu e ko musu nga kala a fai se tala a fai se me oile nu lea ai potol nu e yaile ole observation o growing up ile matonu e leso onga soli ku winga nu e kasi ale leo so ile vai fo yo a ile fa so longa o tangata na tiltilo ia o ma vai o tua a mai se fo ia le vai wa no la mai o vai le ta mau Gaoteote to ina ia ma o kilo ma o vai ile mangwi o le atua. This is one thing I really like about this man. He's a man that serves, but he gives mostly ale au nanga ile serving o faifi au mato nu. Moni le lava o le sile mea taua ile kuinga o le manato ia il tupulanga. Ile gathering o le mato awa, gathering o le mea mana foi mataina ia. And this is something I pick about being in a leadership position, not because you are a leader, but because ole influence ko inga mani mana tuoli sia so fai o mato e te ole nu ole maliu fo e ole maliu o mato ainga ia wa ole wa watu e tai sua ia koe, you know. And to me it's something that sat with me, that I trusted that this is real people who really loves you. Felele ngase sele ya ngase sele mato ainga le fainga o sua ia wanga fautua tuai ia makole masangi me fel nu ai le nga wai mai le ovanga matua ia nga kai sua ai me manga e o le lumar ko inga ia fa mai ia ka ofi ia ko solo muli aku ikua we amata mai e o fa kasi sua nga ke oki. You know what, I in my heart I never took that as something that you feel disgrace about. But you know, leaders, true people that has that, isiasia seldom. You know, if I sa omega or populanga, you know, you pick up and you'll be very grateful. Is a kankafapinga. E o foi lai mea fai ole ol matonu. Be o makainga foi e mako. E le se kangaka and see the position where they're at. You know, they always look down to picking us up as the young people. So yai kiming hak fa alongo failor mako ova e kasya leo. But yeah, I think all the perspective nga it naturally appears and naturally given my liakwe ave tamaa. But from the influence and the perspective of what they do as women And as mothers and young mothers like us, I realized that that's one attribute of a leader that I really admire about the older folks. And this is one thing I truly support Gatoteote Fai'ivae because of this cultural wisdom. Or say, may I interpret it as something very rare. E moni lava tupulanga leo wa ika ko wa esel saunga le olanga le malosi o penga te whailangi the technology and how it influences our young people and the generations to come, our children and how we raise our kids. But if I'm melo al mafau o mea ole mea sino le atunu makako ole a moa kwa seldema. So you know what? We're so grateful that we're part of this circle and we see our leaders. I believe they are still these leaders that will bring our nation. And you know what? We're picking up and we're taking to another level from where the generations has changed this time. Okay. One of the other things I like about these two, I come to find out reading their bio that they both graduated from Samana High School. Yeah. One word that comes in mind when that question, and it's something that stays with me when I see this type of leadership and what I saw in that man, and that one word is stewardship, right? Because be ose kau kua lea ua whaamoemoina ia ma ele I manatu e solo muli a ole kilo ma tatu wa ai me pu'e ma tapu'e a ile o la tupu wae o le tamama le tene Samoa ea e ke mga opea e ke wa ai o lea e mangon Samoa. And I'm saying this because we mostly like wa whainga kānkoe gather se nguu ma e wa ai se tupulanga e ngofo ai ai kilo I le ainga lea manu lea ai whai ke wa ai e lea I mase makai la I kiki pe makua e le loa kaukala fa Samoa. And it's something that we envy, right? Because of one thing that we see that this stewardship, not only in terms of serving people and serving the 5 hours, but au ngangai ile mea ole mea nga position ai ele kua makuai makaukala e sa valia kwa e mamalu. So and you know what? I see that. E se asia ko happen mea nga. We seen that kakauwawai foi whainga malo e pe wa whaingo fie o ngā manatu ia tupulanga ma kangaka foi whape o mōsinga tō mai. We have the freedom of speech tau tala loa paro kako ola mai kako Samoa e kao fiofi leu kalpoko wa ai kaka mātutua tau fiofi leu la whaalo ia mai loa e aro kaimi. There's time to speak, there's time to move, there's time to go on, and there's time for you to say stop. Sweetie kia wa vavavele kiki oe. Take a look again and move forward. And that's why I always support this team tautua. I wouldn't say that something that I cannot keep up. They cannot keep up like keeping promises, but it's something that is, makes Samoan families, Samoan villages, Samoan community coming together, any age, any person, any race. You know what? It's our service. So that's stewardship. That's totally what they both do.
Well,